Hi, guys. Today I am going to talk to you about the interactive notebook assignment and uh, just go over kind of the things that we're doing in the interactive notebook and that you need to have done so far. So, first and foremost, I have linked the original interactive notebook assignment to the class stream. And so you should be able to find it. It's got little like chain links and some stars. And you'll just click on that and it will take you. And this is if you don't know what I'm talking about, you're like, I actually haven't made my interactive notebook yet. This is that first assignment where I have the original copy of the template of the interactive notebook linked at the bottom. And you are going to click on that. And it is going to look like, not that. I thought I had it in a different spot. It's going to look like this, but not be on this page. It's going to look like this, and it's going to make a copy for you. And up here, it's going to say your name dash interactive notebook. Now, you can rename it anything you want, but if it's got the word interactive in it, it's at least going to help you find it later on in your G Drive. Name it either something you can remember or just leave it here as interactive notebook. Now, you can change the font here. I mean, not the font, but what it says. So you click on that and type in whatever you want to call your notebook. And if you want to play with the word art, this is word art. You can customize it, make it solid, gradient. There's solid, gradient's really cool, pretty cool looking. And so you can kind of mess with the word art. Whenever you click on the word art, it pulls up a bunch of different options for you. And then you need to insert your class name here in this text box and then the semester and year. Then you're going to delete the image right here. I put my Bitmoji. You can put as many images that you want that are school appropriate. Decorate your notebook. This is your chance to decorate it. I also have some Mote instructions here as well about this first page. Insert your name there. Make it just like the front of a notebook, right? Let's see. Just like the front of a notebook. Second page, I've done a table of contents for you. The roots and stems we have done through 3 through 18 so far are the pages we have done. Lit terms we have not started yet. The wordplay terms we haven't started putting these in our interactive notebook. The writing about the arts notes we've not put yet. And then our first interview that we did on our guest speaker last Thursday, I wanted the notes on that to be put into our interactive notebook. So the roots and stems I'll go over first, which is that first assignment. You're supposed to delete this and type roots and stems word snaps. And then look up what are root word stems and paste your answer here. Pick any word and Google its etymology, which is its word origin. Okay. Or word map, word tree, word origin, or tree. Okay. Well, and then Google this question: how can you use roots and stems to figure out the meanings of words you don't know? And copy and paste that answer there. And then you're going to use word art to make a title for this slide using our first root photos. And then continue this for all of the root slides to follow. Add the definition for the root. Add a photo or drawing to go with that definition. This is how to do a root snap. Add a word that has the root in it. And continue this for all 10 root slides. And then you can delete anything in parentheses. You can go ahead and delete. And so this would be photos, graphgram, Philia. It goes on. You should have, I went ahead and put in all 15. So far we should have 15 done. You should have done to Sophia. And then, we'll be adding 5 more at the end here. And then, and more roots as we go. And then it'll be I added more pages. So if you're just now clicking on this, it'll be page 37 for you. But if you have already made your notebook and already done your root snaps and stuff like that, it'll be page 30. So it's I'm using pages 37 through 39 on mine. Y'all use pages 30 through 32 if you've already done this. And what I'm having you put there are some 2-column notes. And this was for our guest speaker number 1. Then of course, the next page will be guest speaker number 2, guest speaker number 3. So I've set that up for there for you. And then here's an example of a root snap. And here's another example. You can use Snapchat as well to make your root snaps. You can also download them as GIFs. I know it looks like it should be GIFs, but it's actually GIFs. And see down in the bottom right corner, my little cameo is swinging on the swing set. And then I've got a bunch of different book snap examples for you to look at. If you want some more examples, we'll eventually be doing book snaps. And then some diagrams like the fishbone diagram, a Venn comparison diagram. I talk about the Frayer model of numbers, understanding numbers. Cornell notes, which is the same thing as 2-column notes, the main idea. And then a T-chart, how that can help you. And then just a rubric for how I'm kind of looking at grading these notebooks, these interactive notebooks. So that is the interactive notebook in a nutshell. How you do this is all through the insert. You can insert images, search the web for like light bulbs, sunshine, for clip art or images that go with what the roots definition is. And then you can also get it from your computer, from the drive, from the URL. Insert text box using this. You can fill text box with color like I did down here by going, when you click on it, you can see the fill color right there. Let's see. Also insert video, audio. Shapes are fun to do. Like I did a rectangle down here out of my text box. You can do charts, tables. For your 2-column notes, actually, that's how you enter your 2-column note table. Diagrams, word art. That's how I got these big ones, or word art. And then again, you can mess around with that and do gradient colors if you want, which look really good. Ooh, I like that. I'm going to leave it like that. And let's see, lines. You can connect things. You can do curvy lines. You can scribble. You can do all kinds of stuff. So have fun with this, these root snaps, or like I said, you can use Snapchat and then export or import and insert those images that way through insert image from your computer. So yay! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on interactive notebooks. And as always, you can text me at 828-407-0057, Google Voice number with questions. I hope you enjoyed. Yay! Have fun creating your online digital interactive notebook. Woohoo!